How's it going, guys? Jason Ambro, Ambro's Landscaping here. Today I have my buddy Adam from That Yard Guy. He's a local guy that I've known for a couple years now, and so he's going to be helping me out today mowing my backyard, and this will be his first time ever on a stand-on mower. So we're going to be testing him to see how well he can pick it up and how well he does. The yard is not too bumpy, but even my first time was pretty bumpy and pretty bad, so let's see how good he can stripe my backyard. So a lot of pressure on him. So we have right here the Prostance 48 from Gravely. This is going to be my demo unit for the year, so I'm going to be doing quite a few videos on this. So this is my first ever stand-on mower that I've ever owned and really operated. So like I said, it took me a little bit to kind of get used to, but we're going to give it a shot today. So the grass, the grass is pretty long. So Adam, my assistant, can you do me a favor? Can you step in the grass to show the lovely people how tall the grass is? Pick a thick section. Okay, right there, fine. So you can, oh gosh, you cannot see that. He's got tiny hands though. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so you guys can see I actually just fertilized this not too long ago. So the grass is pretty long. And so we're not really testing how well the mower cuts necessarily in this video. We will see how well it stripes. But mostly this is kind of testing Mr. Adam here on how well he thinks he can do on a stand-on mower. So, Adam, you have never used a stand-on mower before, correct? Correct. Liar. Okay, so let's go ahead and get him on. I'll show him a couple of the little tricks about it. And the one thing I will say about this mower that kind of stinks is the gas gauge is under there, which you cannot see while operating, so that kind of sucks. So, Mr. Adam, please take your podium. Let's see if he can do these. Okay, so you got to have your hand on that trigger or on that handle, whatever you want to call it, and then you can start it up. It's already kind of warmed up. Oh man, this is going to be really bad. Ooh, really bad. Go ahead and throw chalk on. There we go. He did it. Okay, so, and now you're going to disengage that. Now have fun. Now let's watch him mess up. I don't want to tell him what to do. Yeah, you got it. Good? Oh, hold on, wait. Yeah, because it's got that locking mechanism. So we're going to be mowing this at 3.5. Oh my goodness, too much light and darkness. Come on, camera. There, oh, nope. There it is. Nope. There it is. Okay. Now this wouldn't be an Ambro's landscaping video if it wasn't for all the editing and the nice shots. So I'm going to go throw my gimbal. We're going to get some drone shots to see from an aerial view how straight his lines is. Wow, that was horrible. How straight his lines are. Holy crap, this is embarrassing. Okay, so let's go ahead and get everything all suited up and we'll go ahead and get started. right, guys, so Adam is all done, and he did really good actually for his first time on the stand-on. Way better than mine, which is why I didn't record it, which maybe I should have. But let's go ahead and take a look at the Gravely mower. And Adam, I want you to kind of give your opinions of what you think so far on the Gravely and how well it did.
Okay. Well, first of all, I actually really like the handling on the Gravely mower itself. Going from forward and reverse was a really smooth transition. The cut, it had a really nice clean cut, but of course I know that is dependent on how sharp the blades are as well. But for as tall as the grass was, it handled really well. I also like the fact that I was able to control the height of the mower based on this handle, although I'm a little bit shorter to the ground, so
very short.
It's a little bit more difficult for me to press on it by the foot pedal, but at least they had the hand bar here, which was extremely beneficial.
So hand bar, foot pedal,
and everything was just right in the hands, so that was really nice. One thing though that is just a little bit of a learning curve is this gap between where your hand has to rest and where you're turning at. With your arms, with my arms resting, I should say, the way that they were, it is a little bit of a muscle memory. So, you know, my arms just have to get used to my being stuck in that position for a while.
I do believe that this bar, is it? I think it might be adjustable. Maybe not, never mind. I thought for some reason, I thought you can adjust these to where you can change the difference so that your employees don't, it's like a speed adjustment to where it kind of limits how fast they can go and how slow they can go and all that kind of fun stuff. Well, not really slow. Is there anything that you did not like about the stand-on?
Not exactly. I mean, everything worked out pretty good. I could see where it's, you know, standing for long periods of time, depending on how big the properties are that you maintain, you know, that could be a slight issue, but at least you're able to distribute your weight into the actual padding in the front and alleviate so much pressure down on your legs.
Okay, so now Adam is coming from kind of my history, which is a Hustler fast track, correct?
Yes.
And definitely Walker mower. So this is your first time ever with the stand-on?
Yes, it is.
And ever with Gravely?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So and especially in our area, we are more accustomed to zero turn. Stand-ons are not big at all. Even one of our local dealers had a stand-on. I think it was the only one that they had, and they said that it sat for about 2 years before it finally sold. So stand-on is not big here. So to finally kind of get it up in this area or to kind of see people use it, it's kind of very rare. And but other than that, that's pretty much it. So now after kind of using this, would you consider possibly using or buying a stand-on, or do you think you're more set on kind of stand-on or sit on zero turns?
I believe that I would most definitely invest in at least one of these because they are pretty handy to have on a property. Like what Jason said, they're not really popular up here, but it would be a great addition to a fleet package for a lawn care company.
Another thing that's amazing is this lighting. Look at that orange light with that nice glow along the side of your face.
Oh, yeah.
You're welcome. Okay, guys. So anyways, that's the mower. This is just Adam's first time using it, and so far, I mean, he liked it. I liked it. A lot of it has to do that really we don't have any other competitor to kind of compare it to. The only other mower stand-on wise that I have actually used that not even used, just kind of rode around in the parking lot, is the Hustler SS Super S, and it seemed like it was okay. And then honestly, my first time ever trying to get on a right standard, the controls, if I remember, were a little strange to me because they were different. But anyways, I want to know what you guys think. Big shout out and thank you to Adam. You guys can go ahead and follow him on his Instagram, which is That Yard Guy. Be sure to, he's under my friends list, so just look under my friends list and you'll find him. And I think that's it. So anyways, thanks so much, Adam, for coming by. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Adam did a great job for his first time, and my yard looks good and I don't have to cut it. So I'll see you guys next time on Ambro's Landscaping.